In this video, you'll learn how EtherChannel combines multiple links to increase speed and improve network reliability.
Imagine rush hour traffic stuck on a one-lane bridge. That's what a single network link feels like when overloaded, causing slow speeds and delays. Let's fix it.
EtherChannel boosts network performance by combining multiple physical links into one high-speed logical channel, increasing bandwidth and reducing congestion, like turning a narrow road into a multi-lane highway for data.
Major data centers and enterprise networks rely on EtherChannel to boost performance, handle high data traffic, and ensure reliable, uninterrupted operations across critical systems.
EtherChannel combines multiple physical Ethernet links into one logical connection, boosting bandwidth, like merging small streams into a single powerful flow.
Boost network performance by combining multiple links into a single logical connection.
For example, 4 1-gigabit links become a single 4-gigabit connection, enabling faster data transfer and better application response. EtherChannel balances traffic across multiple links to prevent congestion and ensure smooth, high-performance network flow, even during peak usage.
If one EtherChannel link fails, traffic automatically shifts to the remaining links, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity and built-in redundancy, like an instant backup plan.
EtherChannel prevents STP from blocking links by acting as a single logical connection, maximizing bandwidth and keeping all traffic lanes open without bottlenecks.
EtherChannel can be configured using PAGP or LACP for automatic setup, or statically for manual control. Choose based on your network needs and expertise.
Make sure all EtherChannel ports have identical settings, speed, duplex, VLAN, to avoid errors and ensure stable performance.
After configuration, verify the EtherChannel by checking its status and monitoring traffic across all links to ensure it's working properly. Don't skip this step.
EtherChannel combines multiple links to boost bandwidth, add redundancy, and balance traffic, making networks faster, more reliable, and resilient.
Imagine a busy data center handling thousands of requests every second. EtherChannel keeps everything running smoothly, even during peak traffic or failures, ensuring fast performance, better user experience, and higher productivity.
EtherChannel boosts network performance by combining links for higher bandwidth, better redundancy, and improved efficiency. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.